Hello, my friends. Stephanie Bernard at the Stamps of Life, and I cannot believe I'm saying this, but another month has come and gone. And we have done so many fun things at the Stamps of Life this month. I have a feeling, though, you're just as busy as I am, and you might have missed one or two items that we released this month. So I'm going to show you our whole month in review. We started the month with our awesome, amazing, adorable wheelbarrow folded. Now, if you're not in the Folded Club, you are missing out because the Folded Club is exclusive to Folded Club members. You cannot buy this on my website. So make sure you check that out so you don't miss out in the future. We then released our cute ice cream cuties and the add-on sets for our Stamp and Die Hard Club members. But look at how cute these little guys are. They are so adorable. In fact, I even have more samples to show you because I couldn't stand not showing you all of them. Aren't they adorable? And look at this one. Isn't that cute? In the little Easter basket. Shaped cards are where it's at, right? Shaped cards are so much fun. And not to be outdone, I also came out with a pup cup. So this is an A2 puppy in an ice cream cup. So it's a pup cup, but it's also a card. Perfect for banners, scrapbook pages, anything you want, right? Isn't it adorable? Then we released this really fun thing. Look at this. Hop, 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 hop. It is a bunny lollipop holder. Isn't it adorable? It's so cute. You could put any kind of lollipop you want in there, and it's just so adorable. I love it. We then released a carrot folded. Now the carrot folded sold out in record time. Let me just tell you. But you know what? I have a feeling it's because of the amazing samples my design team made. Look at how adorable. It comes with the cute little bunny. You can use it with or without. It also comes with a free stencil. So if you're new to our stencils, you are going to love it because it'll have a stencil to make those fun grid marks. Now, not to be outdone with the bunnies, we have a 5x7 bunny fold-it. Now, you might be familiar with my cute little tortie up here that is 5x7. Now, our tortie has a friend. Look how cute this little bunny is. I love 5x7 in size. Then we came out with the most beautiful edge. This is the flower fringe edge. Look at how gorgeous that edge is on the end. Now, you could do this vertically or horizontally, but isn't it beautiful? I just love that delicate edge. We also had our card kit club, and if you're not in our card kit club, you missed out on these beauties. And let me tell you, only your BFFs get these beauties. But look at how gorgeous those sequin flowers are. Aren't they fun? I love that. This is just one of the many, many, many cards you could make using our card kit club. We then also released a fold-it tooth. Now it could be boy or girl depending on your situation, but look how cute this little folded is, a little tooth. I just think it's so adorable. We also released, are you ready for this? Are you ready? Get set. What? It's a flower drop-in. Look at that. It is 3D. Isn't that fun? It seriously almost hits them in the face when they open it. It's so much fun. I absolutely love it. We also came out with our volleyball background. So if you have any volleyball players in your family or your life, now you have a background die for them. Of course, we've already added soccer balls and basketballs and baseballs and footballs to the lineup as well. Lineup, no pun intended. Okay, here is another one of volleyball background with our new Katie Slimline. Look at our cute little Katie mini Slimline. Isn't she adorable? I just love her. She's so cute. So now we have another mini Slimline that you can add to your collection. My friends, it has been a crazy, wonderful, fantastic month, hasn't it? Now, if you've missed out on any of these items, rest assured, club members, you get 15 to 20% off every single item, every single day, even if it's on flash sale. So go check out our website, stampsoflife.com. If you're not in the club, click the Join the Club tab and just watch the video. It explains so much about all of our clubs. And then you get to go shopping. So go check it out, stampsoflife.com. I'll see you there. Bye-bye. so much for watching. Make sure you click that like and subscribe buttons, and we've added some featured videos that you might want to check out on the screen. So check out one of those and make sure you're subscribed to our YouTube channel because we always release new videos. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.